This 2026 Coachmen Apex Nano 181RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 21 feet 5 inches in length and features sleeps 2, awning, refrigerator, water heater, microwave, skylight, air conditioning, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer RV features couples coach, mid-kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Coachmen Apex Nano 181RB is 3,401 pounds. This 2026 Coachmen Apex Nano 181RB. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.